All right, welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for joining in. It's been several months now since the last time you guys saw me post on the channel, and I'm really excited to be back. I got a pretty interesting day ahead of us with several races, several excited races. And for my first race back on the channel, I am here with a 2024 Porsche 911 Turbo S 992. Now, this car was actually on one of my last races previously, where he ran up against a F80 M3. Now, just a little recap what's done to this one. This one is just on a full exhaust system and a 93 tune, and there is no meth on this one. Now, he's going to be running up against a brand new car on this channel. This is a 2025 BMW M4. This is an xDrive model, just with a couple bolt-ons, intakes, downpipes, and midpipe, with a port injection kit running on full E85. These cars weigh somewhere around like 4,000 pounds, and I know the 992 Turbo S's weigh somewhere around, I think, like 3,600 pounds. Now, both these cars I know run somewhere in the 5s, 60 to 130, so it should be a very, very good matchup. But as usual, there's only one way to find out. So for this race, both cars are going to be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, we're going to do a 60 roll. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, this is close. He let off. Oh, we got traffic. That's why. How fast do we get to before you stop?
140. That's, you know, like a 60, 140. Like
okay, yeah, nothing we can do. There was traffic here, so. Yeah. All right, so that was a really good first run. Unfortunately, we had to stop a little early for traffic, but this time we should be good. So we're gonna do a 40 roll. So this should be the more interesting one. We're in the right gear, second, right? All right, here we go. Straight out, we're almost straight. All right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's good. That's good. That was a good race. He wasn't too far behind you.
No, he wasn't. That's a fucking nice race, dude.
All right, so we're gonna do that 40 one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. About the same.
160.
Yeah, you're good. Look like you're about 2 to 3 cars faster to 160.
I think it's gonna be a good race for the C8. Trust me.
All right, guys. So we're finished here. This was a really good matchup. The BMW was a little bit faster thanks to the E85. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more. Later.